welcome to my channel Utsav and Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today this is a short video. I am not doing a tutorial, not doing an unboxing. I'm just showing you this how I framed my poster lol painting that I completed for one of my colleagues who is leaving the job, and I am really I'm really upset that she is leaving the job. She was the one who taught me everything at my work. She was a great help. She always had answers to my questions, and now she's leaving. So I'm really sorry about that. My son was playing outside and he kind of fell or something. I don't know what happened, but he was screaming. So anyways, so she is leaving the job, and by the time I post this video she might have already left the job and I would have already given away this painting. But I just wanted to show you how I framed my poster lol painting. I don't know why my camera keeps moving. So anyways, so the thing is with Alright guys, I'm back again. Sorry, I had to cut it off because I spaced out completely. I don't know what happened there, but I wanted to show you how I framed this painting. And all I did is I bought this 8x10 frame from Walmart, and then cut the green cardstock behind it that you see in the size of the glass for the frame. And the cardstock that I used was Astro Brights by Nina. And then I just glued out the cardstock to the cardboard on the back right here. I glued it on the back, on the inside, on the back of the cardboard. And then I glued out the painting in the center of the frame. And that's about it. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Just kept it really simple. The frame was really inexpensive. It was about $8 or $9. And then this painting, as you guys know from my previous video, I got it from Poster Lol. When I purchased one painting, this was a free painting. And I made this one for my colleague is because she has a dog and she loves dogs. So I just wanted to do this painting for her because I did not have enough time to buy another dog diamond painting and then do the painting for her and give it to her, because she only gave 2 weeks notice, and by the time I came to know that she had already given 2 weeks, 1 week had already passed away. So I did not have enough time to get another painting and finish it off. So this is it guys. This is a short video on how I framed my video, how I framed this painting, and have it let me know in the comments below how you like the idea. What do you guys do when you want to frame your diamond paintings? Just leave me a short comment in the comment section below. I really appreciate you all commenting. Also, if you haven't checked already, I have the video for 500 subscribers giveaway. I will have the link in the description for you guys to check out and participate in the 500 subscriber giveaway contest. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will be updated for every new videos that I post. And also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share me your comments, share this video with your friends and family. Share me your comments with tips and tricks. Like I mentioned, I am really fairly new in this diamond painting stuff, and I am not really a pro. I am still learning, and I learn from watching all different videos that I watch online, and then I come up with some of my own ideas. Some are just ideas that I was inspired from other YouTubers who do diamond painting. So it's just I'm still in the learning process. I'm not a pro, and if you feel like I need to improve myself somewhere, you just leave me a comment and I will definitely try and improve myself in that area, or give me tips and tricks so I can improve myself and make it faster or make it a better diamond painting. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.